Welcome back to our channel. I'm here to share information regarding the GCash. So recently I've had this issue where too many attempts try again later on my GCash. So usually this means you've entered your mobile PIN incorrect too many times, causing your account to be temporarily locked. Now, in order to fix it, so the simple method is to wait for a specific time period, usually few minutes or an hour or a day or two, and after which your account will be activated, and then you could go ahead and use your GCash account with the same email, with the same or with the correct information, and you should be able to fix the issue. Now this is going to take a couple of days or maybe an hour, and you could try doing some alternative steps such as updating. You could go to your Play Store and type in GCash and see whether the app needs to be updated or not. In many cases, it might also be due to the poor internet connection. So you could go to settings and check for your cellular data or your Wi-Fi. So after which you could also see whether you're able to fix it or not. Or else what you could also do is you would also try clearing your cache as well as data. So in order to do it, so you want to long press onto the GCash application and click on the app info icon, and then you want to go to storage and cache, and this should be able to fix the issue as already mentioned. And likewise, if the issue persists on for a week or for a month, then you could directly contact the support team and you could let them know about it, and they will be able to fix your issue. In order to contact the team, you want to go to the browser and type in GCash support, and then you could find a toll-free number as well. You could contact them through it, or you could go ahead and send a feedback form, and whichever is convenient for you, do it so, and that should be able to fix the issue. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.